And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing and review videos. I'm going to give you all the details for that coming right up in this video. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you a structure you can use to create your videos so it makes the process a hell of a lot easier. Now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to go and hit subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a thing, because I'll be uploading a lot of content helping you guys to make money. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, two of the websites you are going to want to use for this are JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Now, if you don't know what these are affiliate networks which you can join and find products to promote. Similar to ClickBank. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, so this isn't a tutorial on how to sign up or how to use these websites. If you want to know that, if you don't know how to do that already, then easily just YouTube it or Google it and you'll find a lot of information about these. But it's literally as simple as sign up, find a product, request to promote that product, and then you should be away and ready. So now I'm going to show you a few examples of channels already doing this, making these affiliate review videos and making an absolute killing. So the first one is, I think it's, you say it as Jono. Well, it's Jono Armstrong. He now has 51,000 subscribers, and if you look for his channel, it's just reviews of internet marketing products. Now, if you look at the views, you can see they don't get a shit ton of views because there's not going to be loads of people searching these products, but there's still going to be people searching for them. Now, imagine if you get 200 views on a video, say 50 of them actually click your link and 5 of them actually buy the product, which is say $20, and mostly on Warrior Plus you get 100% commissions. Now, I won't get into why they do that, but most of the products you do actually get 100% commissions. So if you've sent 5 people who have actually bought the product for $20, then that's $100 right there. So as you can see, the potential of this is absolute crazy. And as you can see, he actually has a hell of a lot of videos on reviews. So you can imagine how much he is actually making from his review videos. Now, if you're thinking, how the hell do I structure these videos? Don't worry, because if you stick around to the end, I will give you a little blueprint that you can stick to make these videos. Now, if we click on one of these, we can see that in the description below, he has his affiliate link. But he has a bridge page. So kind of like a squeeze page, but a little bit different. Scroll down. As we can see here, now if we click this link, this takes you to his bonus page. Now, most of the time you do want to give away bonuses as well, because it's an intensive I can't even say that word now, incentive for someone to buy the product. Now, if you want to know where to get these bonuses, I'll show you that in a minute as well. But as you can see, this is his bridge page. If we scroll down all the way to the bottom, and click here, this will go through to the product, and if we brought that, then he would make his commission. Now, if all this is a little bit advanced for you, then you don't actually have to do that right away. You can just have a link to the product in your description and you will still make sales that way. Then as you start to make sales, invest that in yourself, into training, and learn how to make bridge pages, squeeze pages, and everything you need to know to completely grow your business. So this is one channel that is actually doing this, and he is making a killing. Second channel is Mike from Maine. Now, I have been watching Mike, must be for about 3-4 years now, and he's actually grown pretty well. Nearly 9,000 subscribers. But if we go onto his videos, we can see that he does exactly the same thing. The only difference is that he actually interviews the creators of the products as well. But he will be making a killing. Otherwise, he would not be doing this. And another one is Brendan Mace. Another one who makes a killing. He does do other videos as well, but as you can see from here, that's a review video, and he has got many of them. Now, with this method, it is really easy because anyone can do this. All you need to do is create a YouTube channel and start doing these reviews. Now, like I said before about the bonuses, it's always a good idea to give bonuses because it incentivizes people to actually buy the product through your affiliate link. But when you're starting off, it is not essential to do that. Now, I'm just going to show you quick a few websites where you can go to find bonuses that you can give away. Now, the first one is Master Resale Rights. Now, I'll leave a link to all of these in the description below if you want to go and check them out. But all these are PLR ebooks and MRR ebooks. So in other words, they're yours. You can put your name on them. You can change the cover. You can change anything you want, and you can give them away. But as you can see, there's quite a lot on here that you could choose from to give away as a bonus. Same with Internet Marketing Zoom. There's some really good products on here that you could purchase and give away as well. As you can see, Private Label Profit Plan, Affiliate Marketer's Handbook, so that one would be a good one. And then the last one is the PLRstore.com, another good resource to get PLR ebooks to give away. Now, like I said, if you actually want to do this but you have no idea how to structure your videos, then I'm going to show you right now. Now, if you stick to this formula, this little structure, then you don't have to think about how you're going to structure the video. You can just follow the bullet points and create these videos pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is the introduction and who are you, so talk about your channel and what it's about. Then what the product is called and who it's by. Then read the sales page and read out the headline. Then read some points like how much the product has made or potential to make money or not. Talk about the bonuses or your bonus offers and go over each one. Go back to the product and go into the members area and show it. Then go through the members area and talk about each point. Then a final roundup with your thoughts. If it's great, then say so. If it's not, then say so as well. Now, again, with doing these review videos, you will actually have to buy the product so you can review it. Now, let's just head back to YouTube. Now, with that little structure, which I just showed you how to structure your videos, all these people doing review videos, this is basically what they do. So if you do your own research, you will see they pretty much stick to that formula as well. Now, this is a really simple way to get into affiliate marketing. And if you don't want to be on camera, you can do videos like I do, where I just screen capture everything and use my voice. Now, you can literally start this business with little to no money. Like I said, you don't have to create squeeze pages, bridge pages. Just have your affiliate link in the description, mask it with like a bit.ly link or something like that. Then as your business grows and you start making sales, then learn on how to start creating your email list and creating squeeze pages then. Now, I hope you enjoyed this method or this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.